back for another video, and in this video I'm going to show that you can get a fire going using a natural tinder bundle like I have here. This is just some processed down bark from a pine tree, and I have a little bit of dry grass in here. Some of it's a little bit wet though, but it is possible to get a fire going using a wet tinder bundle as long as you have dry material mixed in with it, which I do here. This video is actually a request video for a friend of mine, because he asked me, is it possible, can you get a fire going using wet natural material? And I said, yes, you can, as long as you have dry material to go with it. So, get my flint here and char cloth on there, and let's see if we can get this bundle lit. And there we go. There it goes. Turn on its side like this, so that way it catches easier. And so there you go. That's a flint and steel fire using naturally wet material combined with dry material.